Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to disable Google Photos suggestions. That's right. Last week we went over how to create animation in Google Photos. This week we want to stick with Google and we're going to show you how to disable Google Photos suggestions. Now, last week's video I'll make sure has a link down below so you can check it out and so you can not miss out on the Google Photos how-tos. So we're going to do that for you. Before we get going, make sure you hit the like on this video. It really helps our channel. Also hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every week. Now you might be asking, what do you mean Google Photos suggestions? Well, here's a little definition of it. Google Photos suggestions are AI-powered prompts and automatic creations designed to help you organize, edit, and relive your photos and videos more easily. These features use machine learning to analyze your content and provide relevant actions and creative enhancements. So that's the technical term, what it does for you. It basically just gives you a suggestion in your face all the time. I hate when things tell me what to do, so I'm going to turn that off. So I'm going to disable it. So I'm going to show you how you can disable it too. All right, let's get this going. First thing you want to do is you want to open up a new tab on your Google. Now we're doing this on my computer, so this is on the browser, the Google Chrome browser, and how to do this. This will affect the app too. If I remember right, it should affect the app because this is your Google Photos settings we're going to be messing with, so it should affect both sides. But I'm showing you how to do it in the video on the Google browser on your computer. Okay, so let's get going. A new tab, so you can actually find the up to the right. You have the Google Apps icon. You're going to click on that. And then once you do that, you're going to look through the menu here for photos. We're going to click on that. So we're going to go into photos, and then you're going to see all your photos here, videos, whatever you've been doing. And you're going to look to the top right where it has the gear icon, which is a settings icon. Last week it was the plus sign because that's where animation is. But this week we're going to go to the gear settings icon. Click on that. And once you do that, settings has a menu in the middle. So you're going to see this menu. And you're going to scroll down until you find suggestions. Manage the types of suggestions you see, like fixing sideways photos or recommending collages. So we're going to click the little down arrow here, and it's going to open a bunch of features here. So there's 3 different ones that we can just shut off automatically. The creations, get collages, animations, highlight, videos, and more made for you. So this is what they're going to do. They're going to suggest these things to you. Suggested rotations, how they want to fix your sideways photos, and suggested archives, suggestions to archive items. Tells you should archive this. So we don't want those on. So we're just going to, the switches to the right of them, and that turns that off. That will stop it from sending suggestions. So that should take care of the disabling the suggestions. But if you look down, they have a couple other ones here. If you ever skipped a suggestion, like skip it, view and remove your skip suggestion history. Suggestion. Okay, so you can click this view and it tells you if you have any. I don't have any, so it's going to be blank. But if you go back down to the suggestions, you're going to look down here. This has unsaved creations, which if you had some creations like I do, you click on it, it shows you your collages. So the cool thing is if you can actually remove these if you just want them out of there, because they automatically kind of hold on to them for a while, and you can delete them, and that's what you do. So it's very simple to mess with that. But overall, you're going to want to just turn these off, disable all these right here, and you shouldn't see those suggestions anymore when you're in Google Photos and stuff, so you won't get that suggestion anymore. That's it. That's how easy it is to disable Google Photo suggestions. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell before you leave, and thanks for watching.
Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.